The legendary Acura Integra, the incomparable luxury sports car of the ghetto. In the old days, if you had one of these, you were somebody. When I first started as a barber, I almost bought one, but for a bunch of reasons, the situation got away from me, and it never happened. The car that got away. Today, it's even more iconic. It's got a cult following. On TikTok, my followers go crazy every time they see this car in one of my vids. We called it the Ack, but you guys know it better as the Teggy, TikTok's favorite. And who does this car belong to? The transcendent Franco faded it. One of the premier barbers at 555 Barbershop. Franco started his career as a professional in 2020, and it's been far from an easy ride. Today, he's successful. He cuts hair well, and he participates in all of our social media endeavors. But it wasn't always like that. When Franco first started, all he could do was watch. After cosmetology school, he'd come in and try to pick up on whatever we were doing. After a while, we gave him a chair. We let Franco try to perform a bunch of different haircuts. We soon discovered that one of those styles was easiest for him to learn. So we scrapped everything and focused on getting him better at that one particular style. In order for a new barber to discover his or her potential, confidence is needed, and confidence arrives with practice and repetition. We knew that by developing Franco's confidence in one particular style, he'd quickly develop the ability to try out other haircuts and styles as well, thus cutting his learning curve in half. And before you knew it, Franco was doing haircuts behind his back with his eyes closed. And of course, the learning process was grueling. Franco had to deal with all the nonsense customers put new barbers through. He had to deal with customers standing up in the middle of a service, making a scene, picky customers that came in with a million instructions, toddlers kicking and screaming and falling out of the barber chair while the parents are on the phone. There were many customers who didn't tip, and some guys didn't even pay. All of that. And it all made Franco want to quit. But he persevered, and now, here he is. No stress, no sweat. He knows he's got it. Today, Franco's got an enormous clientele, and he helps us train new barbers at 555. The same way we helped, guided, and advised him, he now gives the same support to barbers that are starting out. To all you new barbers out there, you might be in cosmetology school or working at a barbershop part-time. The learning process of becoming a barber is challenging, but don't let it discourage you. Don't let feelings of inadequacy take you out of the game. You'll have bad days, of course, but they won't ruin your life. Situations at the barbershop are gonna make you feel like crap. Those negative feelings, you need to embrace. Learn from them, and they'll make you great. Cause muscles hurt before they grow, and in between the pain and growth is healing. Whenever you have a bad experience at the shop, whenever you hurt, it's because you learned something, and you need to rest and reflect. Heal. That's what I did when I first started out. That's what Burt Wildstyle did, and that's what Franco Faded It did. And now he's becoming an even better professional by helping others grow. Franco's services are now in demand, and his techniques continue to attract new customers into his chair. Where he once started out learning how to master one haircut, Franco now has mastery over all haircuts and all styles. To the new barbers that are watching this, if you stick to the script, stay the course, and don't give up, you'll be here too. And with practice, your haircuts will look like the ones you admire on social media. With that said, stay up and stay motivated. If you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe. Also, check out my book, How to Become a Six-Figure Barber. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.